Kingsway Language Center presents BMICH Book Fair 2020.
Hello, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today, I have come to a very special place to do some browsing. You know what browsing is, because it's something you do when using a computer. You also browse whenever you pass a fashion shop or when you enter a supermarket. You don't buy everything, but you browse to see whether there is anything interesting. So I have come here to browse. Where have I come? What are the products I am going to browse? I am at a place in Colombo, popularly known as the BMICH. These letters are abbreviations of the name Bandaranaike Memorial International Conference Hall. I use the word here abbreviation. Do you know what it is? It's making a long name short by mentioning its initials. Or it can be writing only a few letters of a long word like uni for university. The word abbreviation itself is shortened in dictionaries with the letters ABBREV. Now I will return to the topic. I am at the moment at the entrance to the BMICH. You can see people young and old entering through gate. They are all observing the rule about wearing masks. Because of the pandemic COVID-19, all who enter this place are required to wear masks. The security staff are very strict about this. So, everyone you see in this video is wearing a mask. I'm no exception. I have to talk to you through the mask I'm wearing. Here, I want to draw your attention to something very wrong in English. Many have got used to calling it a face mask. Actually, a mask is something you wear covering all or part of your face. You don't wear a mask anywhere else on your body. If you call it a face mask, you are using the word face twice. So, the next time you hear anyone calling it a face mask, correct it. Now I will take you to the area where the exhibition is held. It's a large area outside the main conference hall, covered on all sides and separated into booths. As this is an exhibition of books, each bookshop is occupying a booth. All leading booksellers are here. This exhibition is held in September of every year. All books are sold at reduced rates. So students are the main visitors. It's very encouraging for me as a teacher when I see so many students interested in and buying books. You can see adults browsing among the books on shelves, while children are buying educational books. Children have already got their school books. They are only looking for any additional books that will help them gain more knowledge. After spending some time, we felt hungry. So we went for some refreshment. By we, I mean two of my old students who are teachers now. Of the many sales booths of food items, we chose Kottu. It was a tasty meal, served in plastic cup instead of a plate. They served it hot. You might ask me whether I bought anything for myself. Yeah, I did. I bought a copy of the Cambridge Advanced Learners Dictionary. Here, you see the dictionary. You might even ask me why I bought such a heavy volume when you can have it in a CD or even download it. I bought this as a souvenir. And what's more, a printed version of an Advanced Learners Dictionary has added features such as a guide to pronunciation of words, a list of defining words, which is really a set of words used in defining the words in this dictionary. Then there is a list of abbreviations, a guide to pronunciations, and a few others. Now it's time for us to leave as we have spent a good part of the day here. It was time spent very usefully. The organizers of this exhibition have done a great service to the members of the public in giving them a vast opportunity to widen their knowledge. Okay, that's all. Happy learning. Goodbye and good luck.